One of our most dynamic divisions at Mühlbauer is eMobility. My name is Victor Poch, and I'm proud to introduce that Mühlbauer is bringing the most advanced and unique eMobility machinery to series production, while offering sustainable solutions that aim to protect the environment. Mühlbauer has entered the mobility field with outstanding engineers and experts with over 40 years of experience in precision parts making, microscopic semiconductor material handling, and sophisticated reel-to-wheel and reel-to-sheet production. Let's take a drive with us. After 3 years of intensive research and development, we are launching our high-performance battery production lines for prismatic and pouch cells, as well as a turnkey assembly line for battery management systems, and last but not least, fuel cell solutions, including high-scale and fully automated MEA line. With the usage of our unique vision competencies, high-speed stacking, and full market commitments, we are here to accept the giga challenge of our market. We are convinced that Europe needs the strong offer in this field to remain independent and self-sufficient, and to produce and deliver products of quality, performance, and cost level the world needs, continuously growing with the most modern innovation, revolutionized processes, and fully optimized solutions. Mühlbauer. Experience drives innovation.